Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 inched higher overnight as investors awaited the Federal Reserve's highly anticipated policy meeting, where central bankers are expected to lower interest rates for the first time since 2020. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed to a new all-time high. The S&P 500 gained 0.13%. The 30-stock Dow increased by 228.3 points, or 0.55%, finishing at a new record high. In contrast, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite fell 0.52%. Overnight, the financial and energy sectors outperformed the broader market, each adding more than 1%. However, the information technology sector posted the largest loss of the day, slipping nearly 1%. Apple shares dropped 2.8% after analysts from firms such as Bank of America and JP Morgan suggest that shipping times may indicate weaker demand for the iPhone 16 Pro models compared to the previous year. Chip stocks, including Nvidia, which drove last week's market rally, declined as investors reduced their positions. Nvidia dropped nearly 2% overnight, while Broadcom and KLA Corporation each slid 2%, and Marvell Technology fell 1.5%. In other company news, Nuvalent shares surged over 28.3% to a record high after reporting positive data on 2 experimental cancer drugs with favourable tolerability, whilst Alcoa rose over 5% after agreeing to sell its 25.1% stake in the Ma'aden joint venture for $1.1 billion. The Fed is scheduled to meet on Tuesday and Wednesday, US times, with widespread expectations of a rate cut, the first time since it began its tightening cycle in March 2022. This anticipated move could reduce borrowing costs for businesses, potentially boosting earnings growth. The overnight lending rate currently ranges from 5.25% to 5.5%, and according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool, there is a 63% chance the Fed will cut rates by 50 basis points. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.7% gain. Thank you for listening.